It might begin with nothing more than curiosity, a sudden siren outside your window or a news alert flashing across your phone. And instead of waiting for updates, you decide to listen in real time. That's where the Police Scanner radio app comes into play, transforming your smartphone into a live audio hub for public safety broadcasts. Rather than relying solely on delayed reports, the app gives users access to live streams from police, fire, emergency medical services, and other radio communications, allowing you to stay informed as events unfold. What makes this app particularly engaging is the sense of immediacy it provides, because instead of reading secondhand summaries, you're hearing dispatch conversations and emergency responses in real time. Many versions of the app also include features like favorites lists, so you can quickly return to frequently monitored channels, as well as notification alerts for high-activity feeds. This bridges convenience with real-time awareness, especially during major incidents, severe weather events, or large public gatherings where staying informed feels important. In addition to local monitoring, the Police Scanner radio app often allows access to feeds from around the world, which can be fascinating for users interested in global events or aviation communications. The interface is typically simple, designed for quick navigation rather than complex customization, and that simplicity makes it accessible even for first-time users. However, it's important to understand that not all emergency communications are publicly available, as some agencies use encrypted channels that cannot be streamed for security reasons. While the app can be useful for staying informed, it should always be used responsibly. Listening to public safety communications does not grant authority or inside access, and information heard through scanner feeds should never be misused. Instead, the app serves as a tool for awareness, offering insight into how emergency services operate behind the scenes. It can also foster appreciation for first responders who manage high-pressure situations daily. And sometimes, what begins as a moment of curiosity about a passing siren becomes a deeper understanding of your community's emergency network, all because you tapped a single stream and chose to listen just a little more closely before everything went quiet again. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.